Hello, Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma, who is the Minister of Culture, attended the ANC's NEC meeting at the weekend, where ANC members met on a range of issues and stated that Cyril Ramaphosa needed to show that he respects the ANC step-aside resolution. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma is not the only one who has in recent times called for Ramaphosa to recuse himself as the leader of the ruling party and that of the country, following the Phala Farm saga. Some of the leaders include former presidents Jacob Zuma, Thabo Mbeki, and Kgalema Motlanthe. Dlamini Zuma asked that if Phala money was legitimate business money, why was it in a sofa and not in the bank? The matter on Phala was scheduled for more robust debate on Saturday, with many in Ramaphosa's camp calling him to stay put as ANC president. While speaking to the Star this past week, Dlamini Zuma had refrained from commenting on the Phala issue, except to say that the president had kept millions in foreign currency at his farm without declaring it to the relevant authorities. During his political review report, Ramaphosa told party leaders at the ANC NEC meeting that the money was proceeds of the sale of game and were legitimate transactions. Friday was the first time Ramaphosa had addressed the party on the Phala issue with the members of the ruling party. The meeting comes just when the Section 89 inquiry is set to conclude its report on the matter in a bid to determine if there is a prima facie evidence that could lead to Ramaphosa's impeachment process, following a motion that was raised by the leader of African Transformation Movement, Vuyo Zungula. Well, not so long ago, it was reported that Glencore was flying millions into Africa via their private jets for bribes. Since you know Ramaphosa has a relationship with that company, if you put two and two together, don't you think those dollars were allegedly paid by Glencore? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.